Jesus, take the wheel, bro. Huh? Eel snot. The more you know. We got holes, y'all. Holes. Rust removal. There's holes in that there van ceiling. Okay, so we're getting ready to apply POR 15. I don't know if it's POR or POR, I don't know what it is, but we're gonna call it POR 15. We've applied the cleaner degreaser to the spots, top and bottom. And so now we're going to apply the etching metal prep. And we're gonna let that sit for 10 or 15 minutes. And then we wipe that off, and then we apply this goop. Okay? Okay, good to go. Good? Yeah. So we're applying the POR 15. It's very liquidy. So light coats. Light coats. Yeah, because see, it's not even sticking to the bare metal. We'll come back and do a second one. So the idea here is, this is what is going to mitigate the rust from getting worse. So it's just arresting the rust. We've cleaned all the stuff off. This is stopping that from there. And then we'll do, he's going outside to do from the top. So once that's done, we've got some Weld SteelStik, something like that we're gonna take and put in there to fill the holes, because the steel is thin, so it's gonna need to be reinforced. So we've got this SteelStik, and I'm going to cut off a piece. This shit hardens really quick. Yeah, we're gonna have to come back with a little bead up here. But yeah, this shit is hard already. So that's what we got so far. Today, the top coat came. We're gonna go out here to the van and we're gonna mask off the areas that we treated with that rust prevention, because the POR 15 itself, the black stuff, isn't UV protectant, so it's not meant to be put it on and then just leave it. It actually has to be top coated. So, just finding some tape. There's tape. Let me get this ladder set up and then we'll get to taping this stuff off. Tape. Now let's hope I don't fall off this ladder. Lord have mercy. Ugh. You see what we've got here. We've got this spot. We got this spot. Painting takes no time at all. That looks okay. She ain't pretty, but it's whatever. So we're gonna paint this area to cover up these damn bees, to cover up this stuff. So I think what I'm gonna do is tape everything that needs to be taped, and then that's probably the best approach. That taped, that taped, that taped, that up there taped, and I'm gonna attempt to paint. Just enough to cover it. Because ultimately, we're gonna Raptor liner. Oh, that's what that's for. So you put your little brush in there when you got your little jug of paint. Boy, them Chinese, they thought of everything, didn't they? Because ultimately, we're gonna Raptor liner the whole van. Will be Raptor linered. Gotta move the ladder. We got a ways to go. I'm just loving this little brush holder. That is so smart. People that have painted have thought about that one. Jesus, take the wheel, right?
So someone decided to do some painting today.
There was no rain forecast.
Did you even check it?
Yes!
All you told me was
The sun was out.
sun was out. That's not checking the weather.
And now I've had to cover, and I'm up here trying to... So we put a tarp up over what I've done. I got a cardboard box up here. Oh, God. Here you go. The ladder's slick as eel snot.
Huh?
Eel snot. Very slick.
Who comes up with these things?
As my grandpa used to say it. I don't know. That just defines the level of slickiness. It's either kind of slick or really slick, and then it's eel snot slick, and that's really slick.
I got something slick for you.
Not today. Damn. The damn Jefferson. Hell, it's raining. Didn't nobody ask for no wet t-shirt contest. I'm trying to eat some tacos.
I asked for a wet t-shirt contest.
Well,
That's that, folks. Well, I'm dry now, so I ain't fooling with it. It is what it is. Alright, I'm gonna make tacos. Trying to make tacos, but in the middle of that, I've got to clean up my paint. So here's a tip that we like to do when we paint. Instead of putting the lid back on the thing, because you know it dries and it stick to it, we take a piece of wax paper and put over the thing, and then put it down in there. So then if we have to break anything, we break the seal of the wax paper and not have to break the seal of the dried paint on the lid. The more you know.